Hi, today I'm bringing you the Cosmopolitan from the comfort of my home. Cheers! Now I invite you to come and prepare this wonderful drink at my bar. Let's go! So here we are at Julie's Simple Style Bar. The way you make a Cosmopolitan, you're gonna need cranberry juice, triple sec, and vodka. You're gonna use 2 ounces of vodka, so Jessica Parker, known as Carrie, always asked for a Cosmopolitan at the bar. So did all her friends. So you're gonna need 1 ounce of triple sec, and all of a sudden they stopped drinking the Cosmopolitan at the show. In the show. So then one of her friends asked, why did they stop drinking the Cosmopolitan? And Jessica Parker said, because everyone is drinking them. So that's why they stopped. But if you haven't had yours in a long time, now is the time to start having them again. We're gonna add ice, and you're gonna need a martini glass for this wonderful drink. You're gonna add the ice in the shaker. This is a shake and drink. And we're gonna give it a shake. Make it really cold. Here we go. It's ready now. Just serve it. We're going to add half squeezed lemon. And we're gonna garnish with a cherry. Make it nice and pretty. Make it a quick stir. And we're gonna add a piece of lime to make it even more appealing. And this is the Cosmopolitan. So I'm gonna enjoy this wonderful drink back in my couch, Julie style.